10.98 here, 10.99 here. Her personal best 10.97 also was the national junior record. Trained by Otto Golden. See how she delivers here. Fourth in this race last year.
The outside in day 6 from Sprint Tech, Mona Burchell.
11.15 to get to this final, representing for Sprint Tech in this final.
Janelle Smith, what a run it was to get her to this final, 11.23.
Every time Janelle Smith, well, Marianne steps on the track, she goes faster. 11.30 to get through the heats, 11.23 in the semis. What does she deliver in the final?
And you talk about having brilliant starts. This young lady, she has a brilliant start. Kemba Nelson.
Also getting her sub-11 this year. Kemba Nelson has done 10.97. She ran 10.98 in her semi. A stellar lineup. Fantastic running. Shelly Ann Fraser-Price is already on the team for the 100 meters to the World Championship, despite what happened in the semis.
On your mark.
The top 3 here will join Shelly Ann Fraser-Price.
Conditions are right, and we have seen some great running so far at the 100 meter
On your mark.
This now to bring the curtain down. The show for day 2 of these championships.
The athletes seem to have not heard.
That means maybe the speaker is not working. Right, David? Let's see. This is not the time for the speakers to stop working now.
So the second in command for the starters, Mr. Gregory Hamilton. Heard him twice giving the command on your marks. And there's some checks being done now with the system.
None of the athletes moved, which means we heard it better than they did.
Maybe we're the only ones who are getting on our marks.
Well, there's supposed to be a race between Bruce and myself.
I don't think that's the call for it. The athletes will keep themselves warm and active as the anticipation builds for this women's 100 meter final. 10.8, 9.85.
And if you're a viewer and you're nervous, it's okay.
It is, because Bruce is not a viewer and he's nervous.
I think I qualify as a viewer. I'm viewing the race. Jody, I'm viewing the race.
So it seems as if they've sorted out the issues. The green card being shown to the field, so we'll do this for the 3rd time. The final of the women's 100 meters. Natalia White in 1, Natasha Morrison in 2, Shericka Jackson in 3, Elaine Thompson-Herah in 4, Briana Williams in 5, Ramona Burchell in 6, Janelle Smith in 7, and Kemba Nelson in lane 8. They haven't been set to their blocks just yet.
The starters testing the sound that the gun makes, and it's not a very convincing sound. When the system is at its best, we hear the shot loud and clear. So it's a combination of the instructions, meaning the on your mark and set instructions, but also very importantly the report of the gun. That sound, we've known on a couple of occasions this weekend, we've heard what I call the pool, the swimming sound, the swim start sound. All right, we're going to try from the start, and then the athletes only go based on the gun.
And then you lose the reaction time.
All right, so
Hey, move no man.
let's see what will happen now for the 5th time, the women's 100 meter finals. Natalia White, Natasha Morrison, Shericka Jackson, Elaine Thompson-Herah, Briana Williams, Ramona Burchell, Janelle Smith, and Kemba Nelson. The set position now once again.
Set.
Set. And the final time, and now Briana Williams got a great start. Shericka Jackson's running superbly as well. Elaine Thompson-Herah will have to come from behind.
Shericka Jackson has firmly established herself as one of the defining figures of modern women's sprinting. Once renowned for her prowess in the 400 meters, she boldly shifted to the shorter events, where she has showcased unparalleled adaptability and carved out her dominance in both the 100m and 200m. This transformation has been nothing short of remarkable, delivering her multiple championships and record-breaking performances. Her international breakthrough came at the Tokyo 2021 Olympics, where she clinched bronze in the 100-meter, a result that marked her as a rising force in sprinting. Building on that success, she swept the 100m and 200-meter titles at the Jamaican Championships in 2022 and repeated the feat in 2023 and 2024. Even through injury struggles last season, Jackson managed to reaffirm her status as one of the sport's most consistent stars. Among all her achievements, her mastery of the 200m has been most impressive, making her the second fastest woman in history over the distance. Her lethal blend of raw power and technical precision sets her apart, and every race she runs further enhances her growing legacy. Jackson's name is now uttered in the same breath as Jamaican icons Elaine Thompson-Herah and Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce, cementing her place among the nation's sprinting royalty. The latest Jamaican Championships once again highlighted her brilliance. In the women's 100-meter final, Jackson lined up against a world-class field featuring Elaine Thompson-Herah, Kemba Nelson, and Briana Williams. Williams blasted out of the blocks while Nelson pushed late, but Jackson's composed execution and finishing speed carried her to a decisive victory. Stopping the clock at 10.98, she secured her spot on Jamaica's World Championship squad and instantly became one of the frontrunners for gold. In recent years, the global sprinting spotlight has shifted toward Jamaica's women, who have redefined excellence in the sport. While Usain Bolt once symbolized Jamaican dominance, today's narrative is shaped by the fierce rivalry between Jackson, Fraser-Pryce, and Thompson-Herah. Their duels have elevated women's sprinting into one of track and field's most exhilarating showpieces. Looking ahead to 2025, Jackson's primary challenge is to remain healthy. Injuries have hampered her in previous campaigns, and the missed opportunity at the Paris Olympics was a bitter blow. Still, her determination to rebound is stronger than ever, and if she maintains her fitness, she will once again be a formidable contender in both sprint events on the world stage. As the new season approaches, all eyes are on Shericka Jackson. Her evolution from a 400m runner into one of the fastest short-distance athletes in history is both extraordinary and inspirational. With her unmatched talent, relentless drive, and wealth of experience, she stands ready to further her legacy and chase even greater glory in the years to come.